Unlock the secrets hidden within the web's vast ocean of information with the powerful synergy of Crawl4 AI and Deepseek. Today, we're diving deep into how to seamlessly integrate Crawl4 AI with Deepseek to revolutionize your data extraction and analysis. Get ready to transform raw web data into actionable intelligence. Our journey begins with the integration. Think of Crawl4 AI as your intelligent web explorer, adept at navigating and gathering specific data points from any website. Deepseek, on the other hand, is your brilliant data interpreter, capable of understanding, categorizing, and deriving meaning from that collected information. First, using Crawl4 AI, you'll define your data targets. This involves specifying the websites you want to crawl and the exact pieces of information you want to extract, like product prices, customer reviews, or article headlines. Crawl4 AI's intuitive interface makes this precise selection straightforward. Once Crawl4 AI has gathered this raw data, we feed it into Deepseek. This is where the magic of AI-driven analysis truly shines. Deepseek will process the collected data, stripping away irrelevant noise and identifying patterns, sentiment, and key themes that might be invisible to the naked eye. Imagine being able to understand customer sentiment across thousands of reviews in minutes, or tracking competitor pricing with unparalleled accuracy. Crawl4 AI fetches. Deepseek understands this powerful combination allows you to discover trends, predict market shifts, and ultimately make smarter, data-driven decisions that propel your strategies forward. Whether you're in marketing, research, or competitive analysis, mastering this integration empowers you to unlock the full potential of web data. Start leveraging Crawl4 AI with Deepseek today and gain a significant edge in your AI-driven initiatives.